Hi there.
This is Fiona reporting for iloveafrica.com. I'm sitting in a beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser, my favorite kind of vehicle in my favorite kind of place, about a 4 to 5 hour drive from Cape Town city centre. We are at the amazing Kagga Kamma. So we've just had the most fantastic walk with Sam from Kagga Kamma. She is unbelievably knowledgeable on all things Khoi and all things San, which I've learned are two totally different tribes. This cave behind us alone is carrying Bushman paintings from over 6,500 years ago. The Khoi tribe, San tribe, and very different painting styles. And the place that we're in is chosen because of its deep spiritual connotations, and the paintings are depicted in 3 different colors: red, white and black. The red was for everyday life, figures are often in red. White was very spiritual, and all the whites disappeared obviously over time, so we only really have half the story, which is the red. Black was depicted of evil spirits, so you'll see the settlers depicted in black, and one leopard on the bottom is depicted in black. So very, very interesting, and I'm just overwhelmed by all the knowledge that Sam has and that she's shared, and I hope to impart more knowledge with you guys. It's been fantastic. I hope come to Kagga Kamma. It's incredible. More later. Bye. We're grateful to Kagga Kamma. Thank you for hosting us. The restaurant is superb. There's a spa and salon. You can do couples massages in the rocks above us here in the mountains. So there's a lot on offer. Also, there's self-catering cottages to the right, 2 kilometers away, with its own private pool. There's a pool here for the huts that we stayed in last night, and just amazing. You can enjoy the peace and quiet of the Cedarburg region with good food, staff and rangers. We're going to go for a game drive also a bit later, just spotting the buck here, eland, stakers, springbokkies, all of that, and yeah, really beautiful place here. Over and out. We'll catch you a bit later.